Okay, hello, and today I just finished a project. It took me a while to complete it, but it's done now, and I used these interesting hinge type galvanized steel. They're called stacking corners, but they're actually a type of a hinge that's used for pallets. I think they come from Sweden, but they also make a really nice grow box or raised bed for your garden. And I put it together finally. You could use 2 by 8, but then you have to chamfer the angles on the inside. So for ease of installation, I used 1 by 8 pine boards. I know that's a little bit soft wood, but couldn't find any 1 by 8 cedar. So I put shellac on the pine boards, and then I covered 3 sides, the edges and the back sides, with landscape fabric to help them last a little bit longer when I fill them up with the earth. But they stack up, and here they are here, and that's what they stack on top of each other. And there's 4 screws per board there. They use number 10 by 3/4 inch screws to hold them together. And anyway, I was really pleased with the way it turned out, and let's go out and have a look at the box now. Okay, so here's one of the inner fence posts I got from Lowe's. It's just a 3-foot wire fencing post that I turned around and used on the inside, and attached it with 4 screws. And just before this box gets filled in, here's one of the corner assemblies there, and we used some stone on that other garden bed there, but it turned out really well here, and it's just in the process of being filled in now. So when that all is completed, we'll have a look at it from the top down, and you'll see it actually makes a really nice box. And I used a two-layer, 2-tier system there, and you can go as high as you want there, but that's high enough for our purposes, and it worked out really well. And you can have some unusual angles there if you need to do that. All right, just to wrap up here, nice time of year, spring. Beautiful here. We had lots of luck with the tulips and daffodils this year. They really look nice. And the box, we just filled it in there, and you can see just how you can make a nice shape with that thing. I only did it 2 tiers high, so that's how it is, but it worked out really well. So I just thought I'd share that, and anybody wants to do that, you can get those corner brackets at Lee Valley Tools, and 3-foot fence posts at Lowe's. The rocks, well, you gotta go up north to get them, and they're heavy, but they make a nice border. Probably the best one, but one garden patch like that was enough for me because they're heavy. But it's a wonderful time of year. All the blossoms and blooms out and stuff like that. So getting ready for the season. So, and looking forward to the harvest of everything. And we're really fortunate to have it. So take care. Bye for now.